Yeah, definitely we did receive quotes from others. The main reason we went ahead with Esteem because they're very flexible and they let us buy our own product and they just install and they did their build work. So that's the main reason.
Because we moved in from a brand new property and this is a very old property, so definitely wanted to upgrade ourselves to match the standards of living and yeah, get a fresh look around the house. Yes, of course, they're very efficient and everything was delivered on time with quality.
Yeah, absolutely. Like we used email for contact exchange, and I got enough lead time to buy my product. So all the scheduling and timing was perfect.
There were a few issues that we found around the house, and the moment we brought it up, they were very efficient in fixing it very quickly. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely, and I think I've already recommended Esteem to other friends.